Want to earn a meaningful income remotely, even if you don't have a following? Imagine getting paid to help people find their dream jobs while tapping into the booming $950 billion global recruitment market. Recruitment is one of the fastest growing industries in the world. From high demand tech, engineering, and sales roles, the constant need for healthcare workers due to an aging populations, or the surge in green jobs driven by climate change, or the massive growth in logistics fueled by global supply chain shifts. Opportunity is everywhere. In fact, nearly two-thirds of professionals consider changing jobs each year, creating a perfect storm of demand. That's where you come in, earning commissions while making a real impact on people's lives. Job seekers are struggling. The average job search can take 5 to 6 months, leading to serious financial and emotional stress. At the same time, 3 out of 4 HR managers say it's hard to find the right candidates. We bridge that gap with a three-tiered solution. Job Hunting Toolbox. For just $99, we help job seekers with resume optimization, interview prep, and proven job search strategies. Expert Coaching. At $990, our deep dive coaching program builds confidence and marketability. Direct Placement. We match qualified candidates directly with employers, saving everyone time and frustration. As an affiliate, you earn from all three revenue streams. 20% commission on candidate services. That's $19 per job hunting package and $198 per coaching program. 10% of our placement fees, which typically range from $5,000 to $15,000, earning you $500 to $1,500 per hire. This isn't just side income, it's a real business opportunity. Getting started is simple. Register in just 5 minutes and get your personal affiliate link to share via social media, email, websites, or even direct messages. Your first commissions can come in as fast as 1 week, especially from candidate services and coaching. Placement commissions typically follow within 4 weeks once the hiring process completes. We give you everything you need: a real-time dashboard to track clicks, conversions, and commissions, pre-made social media templates, a library of over 1,000 job seeker resources to share, plus weekly payouts via PayPal, Wise, ACH, or international bank transfer with a low minimum payout threshold of just $19. No audience? No problem. We also provide targeted lists of active job search forums and Facebook groups, step-by-step guides, and video tutorials on how to promote effectively. Scripts that help you speak directly to the pain points of job seekers. You don't need to be a marketer, we've made it beginner-friendly. PeopleTeam.com is a trusted recruitment agency with a proven track record. Our recruiters each have over 5 years of experience in their respective fields, meaning they understand both candidates and clients at a deep level. And here's the beauty of this program. Everyone knows someone looking for a better job. Friends, family, co-workers, former classmates, each one is a potential referral. This makes our program easier to promote than most affiliate programs out there. You're not selling a gimmick, you're offering real help while earning real income. Join our affiliate program now by clicking the button below. It only takes 5 minutes to register, and you'll immediately get access to your affiliate link, our resource center, and step-by-step training. Our dedicated support team is here to help you every step of the way. Earn nearly $20 for each job search package, nearly $200 for each coaching program, and $500 to $1,500 for every successful hire. You're not just promoting a product, you're helping people transform their careers. Click below to start your affiliate journey with PeopleTeam.com.